Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the J Panther 2. This German Tier 8 tank destroyer is a true force on the battlefield, known for its impressive firepower and surprising agility. We will cover its key attributes, effective combat strategies, and essential equipment to maximize its potential. Mastering this vehicle requires understanding its strengths and how to mitigate its few weaknesses. Get ready to dominate the battlefield with precision and power. The J Panther 2's primary strength lies in its devastating 128mm gun, offering superb alpha damage and penetration. Its frontal superstructure can bounce many shots, making it a tough target when hull down. However, its lower frontal plate is a significant weak spot, and the limited gun traverse means you must constantly adjust your hull. Understanding these points is crucial for effective engagement. To play the J Panther 2 effectively, always seek hull-down positions to conceal your lower plate, exposing only your strong superstructure. Act as a second-line support, using your powerful gun to snipe unsuspecting enemies from medium to long range. Your good mobility allows you to reposition quickly, adapting to the flow of battle. Never engage in close-quarters brawling. Your fixed gun and weak side armor will be easily exploited. For optimal performance, equip a gun rammer to significantly boost your damage per minute, allowing you to fire more rounds faster. A gun-laying drive is essential for reducing your aim time, ensuring your powerful shots hit their mark quickly. Improved ventilation provides a small but valuable boost to all crew skills. For consumables, always carry a multi-purpose restoration pack and adrenaline to handle critical situations and increase firepower temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.